So I'm working on this GE washing machine. I believe this latch problem, this latch is not working. Not sure why. I'm going to take it out. I'll show you how to get that out of there. It doesn't require any tools at all. You can just reach around underneath it. You see my finger right there. And you can pop the little piece out. You move. My finger went that way, and I'm going to put my finger over here and go that way with this one. And you can see it just pops that little piece out. Alright, next I'm going to be removing this black piece. And again, you don't really need any tools. I'll show you. You just push it this way. You hear click, and you can just push it down, and it slides right out. And I just got my hand under here. Here it is there. And it's got a little clip on the connector that locks it. And this is the piece right here. I'm going to investigate this and see what I can figure out. And I want to show you this bevel here. So normally the way this is mounted in this orientation, this is facing up. And these tabs, this slides up into the slot here, and then this piece here locks it in place. This bezel here. So you can see the bezel has these holes cut out, and what they do, there's these ledges here on this side and this side. And so when you push this in, let me make sure I got the orientation correct. It sits like that. And this there's a guide hole here. This little piece here goes into a hole in the washing machine. So I know this goes in this way, in this fashion. And this serves to lock it. And so when I flip this over, you can see how that's gonna, you push that in and it's gonna click. Just like that. And so now it's locked into place. And so when you're reaching around underneath to remove this, all you have to do is find these tabs and push them out slightly, and that will unlock the mechanism. So I'm going to take it in there now and put it back in the machine and see if I can get the machine to work.